Orangeburg, South Carolina, is known for its hot and humid summers and mild, occasionally cooler winters. As a homeowner in this climate, managing your energy consumption while keeping your home comfortable year-round is essential. One of the most effective ways to achieve energy efficiency in your home is by choosing the right windows. Modern slider windows are an excellent option for homeowners in Orangeburg, as they offer a blend of style, convenience, and, most importantly, energy efficiency. Here's how modern slider windows can help reduce energy costs and improve your home's comfort in Orangeburg's unique climate. Enhanced insulation for year-round comfort. Slider windows, known for their easy-to-operate design, are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. Unlike traditional single-pane windows, modern slider windows come with double or even triple-pane glass options, providing an added layer of insulation. This insulation is crucial in maintaining a stable indoor temperature throughout the year. In Orangeburg, where summers can be sweltering, air conditioning is a must. However, if your windows aren't adequately insulated, the cool air from your AC can escape, and the hot air outside can seep in, leading to higher energy consumption and increased costs. Modern slider windows help mitigate this problem by reducing heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The insulating glass and air gaps between the panes prevent excessive heat from entering during the hot months, and they keep the warm air inside during cooler weather. Low-E coating for improved energy efficiency. Many modern slider windows are equipped with low-E, low emissivity, coatings, which are thin layers of metal oxide applied to the glass. These coatings reflect heat back into the room while allowing visible light to pass through. In Orangeburg, where the summer sun can be intense, low-E coatings are incredibly beneficial. They block harmful UV rays that can damage your furniture and flooring, while also preventing heat from entering the home. In the winter, low-E coatings help reflect heat back inside, improving insulation and keeping your home warmer without overworking your heating system. This means your HVAC system runs more efficiently, reducing energy usage and cutting down on heating and cooling costs. Low-E coatings on modern slider windows make them particularly suited to Orangeburg's climate, where managing heat gain and loss is crucial for year-round energy efficiency. Weatherproofing and proper sealing. One of the most important features of modern slider windows is their advanced sealing systems. Unlike older models, which may have gaps or worn-out seals, modern slider windows are designed with high-quality weather stripping and tight seals that prevent air leakage. This feature is especially important in areas like Orangeburg, where humidity can lead to condensation or moisture buildup. The airtight seals of modern slider windows prevent drafts and moisture from entering your home, improving your indoor air quality and helping maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home. This helps reduce the workload of your heating and cooling systems, leading to greater energy efficiency and fewer fluctuations in indoor temperature. Increased ventilation without compromising insulation. While modern slider windows are known for their energy efficiency, they also offer excellent ventilation when needed. Slider windows are designed to open horizontally, allowing for smooth airflow and excellent control over how much fresh air enters your home. In Orangeburg, where fresh air circulation can be a relief during the cooler months, this feature can improve comfort without sacrificing energy efficiency. Unlike other types of windows that might let in drafts when open, slider windows allow you to open only a portion of the window for controlled ventilation, helping you cool down your home naturally during milder weather. With their airtight seals when closed, they help maintain energy efficiency while still providing a way to let in fresh air on pleasant days. Durable and low-maintenance materials. Modern slider windows are typically made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are known for their low maintenance and excellent insulating properties. These materials are highly resistant to warping, fading, and cracking, even in Orangeburg's humid climate. Vinyl, in particular, is a popular choice for energy-efficient windows because it doesn't conduct heat, further enhancing the window's insulating properties. With slider windows, you won't have to worry about constant upkeep. Vinyl and fiberglass frames require minimal cleaning and maintenance compared to wood, which can rot or warp when exposed to moisture. This makes slider windows a cost-effective, long-term solution for homeowners who want to reduce energy costs while enjoying hassle-free maintenance. Sleek design that maximizes natural light. In addition to their energy efficiency, modern slider windows are designed to be aesthetically pleasing and provide ample natural light. The horizontal design allows for large glass panes, which means more sunlight can enter your home. This can make your home feel brighter and more open, especially on sunny days. By allowing more natural light into your home, slider windows reduce the need for artificial lighting, further improving energy savings. Additionally, the unobstructed views offered by slider windows make them an excellent choice for homes that overlook scenic landscapes. You can enjoy the natural beauty of the outdoors without sacrificing the energy efficiency of your windows. Long-term energy saving. Investing in modern slider windows may have a higher initial cost than traditional windows, but they pay for themselves over time through energy savings. By reducing your home's heating and cooling demands, slider windows help lower your energy bills, often providing a return on investment in just a few years. In Orangeburg's climate, where both cooling and heating costs can fluctuate, installing energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce the burden on your HVAC system, extending its lifespan and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Conclusion. For homeowners in Orangeburg, modern slider windows are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and comfort. With features like multi-pane glass, low-E coatings, weatherproofing, and durable materials, slider windows help reduce energy loss, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, and provide natural ventilation when needed. By investing in modern slider windows, you not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also enhance its overall value and curb appeal. Whether you're looking to reduce energy bills or simply create a more comfortable living space, slider windows are a smart and stylish solution for any home in Orangeburg.